on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making slow cooker meatballs and gravy. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 2-pound bag of frozen meatballs. I'm using the homestyle meatballs. 2 cups of water. 2 0.87 ounce packets of brown gravy. 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Parsley flakes for garnish. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my 10-in-1 cooker. This has the slow cooker function on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in my meatballs. To a bowl, I emptied my 2 packets of gravy in. Now I'm going to add in my 2 cups of water. Now I'm just going to whisk it together until all the gravy is dissolved. Next, I'm going to add in my cream of mushroom soup. Now we're just going to whisk it together until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our Worcestershire sauce, our ground black pepper, our onion powder, and our garlic powder. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to pour our sauce over top of our meatballs. Now we're just going to move our meatballs around so that they're all coated in the sauce. You can go ahead and put your lid over top, and we're going to put it on high for 2 hours. Okay guys, so our meatballs are done. As you can see, it's switched to keep warm. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to go in and mix our meatballs. Look how nice and thick the gravy is. They smell really good. Okay guys, since our meatballs are done, I'm going to go ahead and make some instant mashed potatoes. I'm using the 4 cheese. And guys, you can also put this over egg noodles and also white rice. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our slow cooker meatballs with gravy. Look how yummy they look over the mashed potatoes. They taste amazing. And guys, this is very budget friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?